Nestled in the cosmopolitan valley of Dehradun, Uttarachal University is one of the premier universities of the country. With a vision of creating an academic center of excellence, it offers a diverse range of professional study programs.
The study programs are in the discipline of law, engineering, management, pharmaceutical sciences, applied sciences, agricultural sciences, hotel management, journalism and mass communication, and liberal arts.
There is a reason why more than 7,000 students from 28 states of the country and students from across the globe choose Uttarachal University. It is a UGC recognized university approved by the various statutory bodies like the Bar Council of India and Pharmacy Council of India, with world-class infrastructure and facilities. It has an environment that is highly interactive and progressive, where students are not just educated but nurtured.
When I first came here, I felt like I've stepped in some royal palace. So beautiful. Spread up to the extent I can see, it's mesmerizing.
We have a collection of more than 150,000 books here. Just name the book and have it.
I decided to join Uttarachal University 2 years back, and I'm proud of my decision today.
It's like you are in the oasis of education.
The life at Uttarachal University is a memorable and empowering experience.
It's a great opportunity to widen my horizons.
How theory applies into practice, you will learn it best at Uttarachal University.
I would have never known my real potential if I wouldn't have been here.
Uttarachal University not just provides the highest levels of education, it also creates an environment that makes you realize your full potential, thereby building you.
You can lead the legends. You can rise up to infinity.
You can rewrite the definition.
You can take $1 billion decisions.
You can visualize the future.
You can do anything.
You at Uttarachal University can get the best of everything in your life.
ख्वाहिशें हैं, उम्मीदें हैं, आँखों में है सपने भरे, दिल में है ढेरों अरमां जगे। माना मुश्किल है डगर, मेहनतों से न घबराएंगे, अपनी भी एक पहचान हो, ऐसा कुछ हम कर जाएंगे।
Under the guidance of Mr. Jitendra Joshi, the Chancellor of Uttarachal University, the top management is led by men and women of great academic and social standing, who all have a philanthropic orientation, and the most important asset of the university is its learned and experienced faculty.
We here inspire the students not only to absorb the knowledge but also to ask questions and interact.
Because asking question is a small step, but makes a big difference, especially when the community searches for answers together.
We have produced more than 4,500 law graduates. Series of gold medalists and merit holders are successfully practicing in the different courts of the country and abroad. Not only this, we have also given 39 judges, including 3 judge advocates in defense forces, successful corporate lawyers, and many more are walking into the corridor of Supreme Court.
The kind of environment, the culture and the knowledge which is given at Uttarachal University is one of the best. The student is going to enjoy that throughout his life.
We want success for everyone, and we want everybody to join Uttarachal University.
You are exposed to so many opportunities when you come here.
It becomes very easy for you to decide what you want to do with your life.
I got an opportunity to be a team player, a team leader, and an opportunity to polish myself under the guidance of industry experts.
To enable the students to successfully step into the professional world, the course has various aspects so as to equip them to face all challenges, develop their all-round personality, and finally get placed in a reputed corporate. The long list of recruiters speaks volumes of the nurturing Uttaranchal University provides.
I have been placed in Extra Marks Education Private Limited and have been offering a package of 12.4 lakh per annum. I am very happy for this placement and I am very thankful for all my mentors and my teachers for helping me. I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to the managing committee for organizing personality development classes regularly so that we could groom and fix ourselves in the positions that we are not good at.
What it actually means to be into a university, such a great university. It has groomed me a lot. It has made me confident about myself. So I was placed in Jaro Education on a package of 5 lakh per annum. So it is a great achievement for me and I'm very thankful to the university for providing me this opportunity. The best and the most that I liked about the university is that the lot of opportunities that we are exposed to, lot of competitions and the enthusiasm among the students that I find here and the support and the help from the teachers that we get here.
Uttaranchal University has molded me into a very confident woman. I had been interviewed in many companies and I got selected in Cognizant with a package of 4 lakhs per annum. I would like to thank my faculty members, my TNP cell department for providing me with such a good and wonderful opportunity.
I got placed in Webkul, then Smart Data, Obstry and Josh Technology. Highest package I got was from Josh Technology, 7.2 LPA.
I recently got placed in 2 companies. One is TCS and the other one is Hasden. In TCS, I got an offer of 7 lakhs per annum. And in Hasden, the package is of 8 lakhs per annum. All my expectations got fulfilled here, so I'm very thankful to Uttaranchal University.
Like any other guy, I also wanted a secure future and grab a job by the end of my BTech. And all this has been possible because of the university and my teachers. They have been very supportive throughout my journey and guided me whenever I needed it. I cannot thank them enough. The Hexaware offered me around 3 lakh per annum and Cognizant offered me around 4 lakh per annum. The credit for all the placement offers I got goes to Uttaranchal University.
At Uttaranchal University, you interact with brilliant students, renowned academicians from all over the globe.
If you think you have a great idea and you want to fly with it, come here. You will get the right direction to move in.
As Vice Chancellor, I promise you quality education and good placement. The strength of our university are world-class infrastructure, industry-oriented curriculum and very good linkages with industry. I welcome you all to Uttaranchal University.
ख्वाहिशें हैं, उम्मीदें हैं, आँखों में है सपने भरे, दिल में है ढेरों अरमां जगे। माना मुश्किल है डगर, मेहनतों से न घबराएंगे, अपनी भी एक पहचान हो, ऐसा कुछ हम कर जाएंगे।
Uttaranchal University, Dehradun, for the excellence within you.